Welcome back, everybody. I'm up here in northwestern Montana on vacation with my family. When you're in northwestern Montana, it's all about huckleberries. Huckleberry French toast. I have a big old bowl of eggs here. I think 9 eggs, because I'm gonna do a monster amount of French toast for the whole family. We'll just cook a few slices here for the video. I've realized over the years it's better to err on the side of caution. It's okay to have too much batter left over when you're done, but you don't wanna have lots of bread and not enough batter. So just go ahead and make a lot of batter. I like to use rectangular baking dishes for my batter. Eggs down into my batter tray, and we're using that French vanilla creamer. This works out perfect for French toast. I eyeball it, so no specific recipe for this, but I like a good mixture of creamer with egg. Probably should be just a little more egg than creamer though. You can add any number of seasonings or spices to the batter. Cinnamon is one, vanilla extract another. Inspiration for this recipe, for me, it's always at a store, at a market, in the woods. I can't just look at a recipe, so I see this at the store. We're up here in the Pacific Northwest, of course. This is an Oregon brand, limited edition Huckleberry bread. I've done fresh huckleberry pancake videos before, so check that out. Go back in the Blackstone archives. Maybe 5 or 6 years ago, we were over in Whitefish cooking them with a high school wrestling club. Pull out a big stack of the huckleberry bread. Blackstone Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle, my choice for a large Blackstone griddle when you're traveling. You don't want to have it too hot. You don't want to have it searing like stir-fry steaks or burgers. You want to have it in the middle, or maybe just slightly above the middle, but not too high. Cooking oil of your choice. I have avocado left over from dinner last night, so we're just gonna stick with avocado oil. Other good options are coconut oil. I love using that for breakfasty things. This is why I like a rectangular container, so you can put all of your bread in there at once. So we mix it up, we make sure all the little holes in the bread, all the little air pockets get filled in. I like to use a fork, get a little bit of the excess batter off if you can. And over to the griddle top. It's been about 1.5 minutes. Let's go in for a flip. Oh yeah, that one looks gorgeous. Oh yeah. When you see that your French toast is looking beautiful, feel free to flip it an extra time if you want. Then you can decide which is going to be your presentation side, the most beautiful. Grab your favorite platter. See, I'm going rectangular. Might be perfect for French toast. I'm going to use my bare hands. Feel free to use a spatula if you want to. When you're in northwestern Montana, huckleberry syrup, huckleberry preserves are everywhere. I like to go right down the center, a little ribbon of syrup. Another option is to add powdered sugar, but we're on vacation and I don't have any powdered sugar. I'll put a little dollop in the center of each piece of French toast, and then I might drizzle just a little bit more on top. Take a look at that. Enough talking. Let's get in there and have some French toast. Gotta have some whipped cream. You have to have some huckleberry. Oh, look at the layers. You can see the huckleberries inside the toast. Let's give it a try. Made a lot of French toast. If you look through the archives here and on my personal channel, maybe 10, 12 French toast videos. This is top tier. Levi?
It tastes super good.
It tastes super good. Pretty delicious. Thinking about going fishing later today. Scenery sure is good here.
Whatever, I want some more French toast.
All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Huckleberry French toast right here in northwestern Montana. Make sure you're watching all of our shows on the Blackstone Network. Vacation, but I'm working, but it's fun, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the huckleberry
French toast.
French toast.